Nangin sentro man sa third day o kunikatlong adlaw sang impeachment trial ang pagpakita sang Defense Counsel sang video sang isa ka press conference pagkatapos ma-cite in contempt o in contempt si Office of the Vice President Chief of Staff Zulaika Lopez sang Quad Committee sang Nobyembre tuig 2024. Sa trial, ginpamangkot ni Defense Counsel Carlo Narvasa si National Bureau of Investigation Agent John Mark Calilong kung gin-imbestigaran nila ang ginapahayag nga pagpamahog sa kabuhi ni Lopez. Nagsabat naman si Calilong nga wala nila ini gin-imbestigaran.
At those specific timestamps.
I did an apology. And then, ang sabi po nila, I just have to do an MR. And I did an MR, but they did not rule on it. And then suddenly they have an order transferring me. When ang nauna naman na order ng final ng lawyers namin was an MR to lift that order of contempt. Because they said that was the procedure. If they were not able to rule on that, how were they able to come up with an order, to transfer me to the Women's Correctional in the dead of the night? I mean, bakit ganun? Wala na bang rights yung mga tao? They just go to your room and then just get... Wala, bakit ka? I don't understand.
Your Honor, may I ask that the video be stopped? Sir, do you know who that is in the video that you identified?
Attorney Zulaika, as far as I remember, sir.
And Attorney Zulaika, as far as you remember, Attorney Zulaika is who in relation to the Vice President? You may answer not a yes or no question.
As far as I remember, she is the COS.
COS meaning Chief of Staff,
Chief
right?
of Staff.
And she is there in that video because she was cited in contempt by the House of Representatives, correct? If you are aware, you're the investigator.
Prior to the...
Sir, my question again.
The witness is
Let
about
the
to
witness
answer.
Witness is in the process of answering.
Prior to the scene, I have no personal knowledge, but based on her statement during the video, I think it was mentioned.
So you didn't investigate the things that happened prior to the scene, correct? Sir, yes or no?
We have investigated, sir.
You didn't investigate.
Oh,
I did, sir. That's why there's an October 18, sir.
So what happened before that? If you investigated,
I
what
only
happened?
say I don't have personal knowledge, sir, because
Sir.
I'm not present during that time, sir.